Let's make a Rum Alexander. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my nutmeg. 1 pinch of freshly grated, or in my case, freshly ground nutmeg. 1 ounce of heavy cream. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 3/4 ounce of your creme de cacao. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And finally, your white rum. 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters of your white rum. Add some ice and give it a shake. Lose the top of your shaker. Use a coupe and double strain into that. Garnish, grated nutmeg, or in my case, ground nutmeg. I'm not going to do a pinch. I'm going to do a little shake. A little bit more shake than that. And that's it. Rum Alexander. Drink with good spirits.